give them a free gift. This could be an ebook, checklist, standard operating procedure SOP, template, or a mini course delivered through email. This gift gives potential clients a taste of your methodology, knowledge, and results you deliver. By offering a valuable free gift, position yourself as a helpful resource and build trust with potential clients. They get to experience your expertise firsthand, making them more likely to invest in your paid coaching programs. You must, however, ensure that your free gift delivers a small win for them. If, for instance, you help postpartum moms lose belly fat, your free gift could be an ebook that focuses on how to implement small dietary changes and simple exercises that will lead to a noticeable result while caring for their newborns. You might be worried that giving away valuable information for free devalues your paid services. That's not true. A well-crafted free gift can increase the perceived value of your coaching. It shows potential clients the depth of your knowledge and the kind of results they can expect by working with you. Think of it as a powerful marketing tool that pre-sells your services.